Hi, and welcome to Crypto Revolution. I'm William Woody. Now, first off, I will say the thing I say every time, and that's this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money. You are going to decide that, and you are going to make those determinations in this ever so dangerous world, like the responsible adult I know that you are. I am just here to show you things that I have come across. Now, they always say technology stays ahead of the law, and cryptocurrency is no exception. We have all sorts of things come out, decentralized trading. Initially, they're not very regulated, but regulations are starting to come into play. The laws are catching up, and that starts to make things a bit safer. And if you're going to trade crypto, you need a platform on which to do it. And one of the places you can do that is right here on BloFin, where whales are made. Available on Apple Store, Google Play, Android, all the big ones. And you can trade there. List assets, you got all the little hamburger menus that you ever could want. Got some various lead trader exclusives, win big together, some fun incentives there. Got top leaderboard hot, gainers, losers, the new stuff on the scene. Got that all there so you can check it out when you want. Fuel your journey in crypto. Now let's see why BloFin. Your assets, your privacy protected by multi-layer security, top-tier partners, top-level asset protection. Fast, seamless, 360-degree high-performance trading. Your whale move starts here. Top-tier system speed. Got that going on there. Spot trading, futures trading, a unified trading account. Oh, let's click into there, not my aim. Let's come back here. So spot trading is buy and sell crypto instantly with real-time market prices, perfect for beginners and pros alike. Now futures trading is trade like a whale with diverse futures markets. Smarter, faster, and bigger, all in one powerful platform. And then unified trading account, automate your trades 24/7 with AI-powered bots. Manage strategies across accounts effortlessly. Now, copy trades, easy, smart. You can make the same moves some of the big guys are making. Trade anywhere with the BloFin app. There's great convenience there. Explore future finance, where whales are made, so they've been something. They did a knockoff of Burning Man, or they will be doing a knockoff of Burning Man, or something that looks to have. So they're getting some financing, getting some stuff going. They've got some big festival 2049 BloFin. Could be fun. Worldwide buzz media on their narrative. Cointelegraph is talking about them. Be in crypto and you today. All these guys are talking about them. All these guys are doing stuff with them. What products does BloFin provide? BloFin is a cryptocurrency futures trading exchange where users can get into cryptocurrency futures trading in an exciting and rewarding way. Started in 2023, launching its futures exchange platform packed with pragmatic security measures, including AI-powered algorithms, infrastructure analysis, and more, designed to offer users an equal, transparent, and highly effective trading experience. BloFin is now inviting the best and brightest futures traders to join its pioneering program. So, we've got various markets. Now you can buy and sell and transfer to a bank. You can do a recurring buy, crypto deposit, OTC trading, spot, convert, trading bots, Token Splash Launchpad, futures, USDT futures, USDC futures, Coin M futures, trading bots and demo trading, copy trading. Track the top traders and stay ahead in crypto. Spot copy trading. Learn from the best and boost your trading skills. And elite traders recruitment. You got ways to earn. Simple. RWUSD. Boost your passive income. We got all these markets here for USDTM. And we got USDCM. CoinM. Spot futures. You can create your favorites. See the crowd favorites here. All of that is here. You got your assets set up. So, Activity Center, affiliates referral. Got everything going there. So there you have it. Links are in the description. Check it out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the revolution.